Hey guys, welcome to another episode of me opening AliExpress Dollar Express deals. As you can see right in front of you, it's a good size bag. I know what I got, and yeah, it's a convenient size bag for it. But let's open it up and see what we got this time. All right, first up, showing right here, I think I know what this is. This is basically a Velcro what's this, belt, or what did they call these things? I forgot what they call these things. I forgot what they call them. Buckles? Yeah, there you go. Buckles. So I got these right here. I believe the one that I got came with 25 of these buckles and a Velcro tape. It's 5 meters long by 3 centimeters wide. Pretty good. It's double-sided, which makes it awesome. You could, turn it into a belt or something, a Velcro belt. But yeah, 25 buckles and 3 meters. 5 meters by 3 centimeters wide. Velcro, double-sided. I guess tape. Yeah. This went for $3.99. $3.99 for this. It's gonna be in good use. There's so much uses for this, so pretty good. Next up, make sure I don't lose these buckles all over the place. Next up, right here, I believe this is carabiner bungee cord. Right here, let's see which one this is. I believe I got this in all right, this one right here is 150 centimeters long, and I got 2 of them. It's $2.59 each. $2.59 each. It's basically bungee cord with the carabiner type hook instead of the hook loop. I like these, so it's basically lockable, sort of lockable, I guess. So when you hook up to something, but my plan for these is actually to hook up to my, say for example, toolbox or anything, and then hook it up to the side rails, and then when we're driving, and then some stuff move all the way deep inside, I rather have something to hold on to it and then just pull the cord so to get the items out of my the back of my truck bed. But yeah, that's what it is. It's basically $2.59. I got 2 of them. One of them is somewhere inside, but yeah, $2.59 each. Not too bad. Next up, this one right here is a good size. This one right here is basically a car cup holder, but the unique thing about this, as you could see, it's 2 holders in one. Let me take it out. Put all the stuff in there, paddings. But yeah, right here, basically cup holder, and then I believe, yeah, there you go. So you have a spot in here and then another spot in here. I don't know how to, I think it just folds out or something. There. So you could even put a cup of popcorn in here or something large size, as you can see right there. So that's gonna be pretty cool. Goes in your cup holder. So now you have 2 spots for your cups, or this one right here, you could put actually a bowl in there. So pretty cool. This one right here went for, I believe, $2.99. $2.99 for a nice convenient cup holder, 2-sided. Pretty cool. Okay, next up, this one right here, something came out of the bag. The bag is open, so we'll figure out what it is. All right, well, here's the other carabiner bungee cord. All right, somewhere in there, but right here, this one should have came inside a box. I got this a while back, this type of flashlight. I like these. You actually give them away to kids, because this is the one that's not zoomable. The zoomable one has a, you know, a zoom lens, but it's I would say pretty sharp end. So those I keep for myself or give it to adults, but this one right here is meant for kids. I like it. Look how bright it is. Pretty cool. Low beam flash, and then side lights, red and blue, and then this is the black light. Pretty cool. This one right here, at the time of the purchase, I got it for, I believe, $2.19. $2.19. Pretty good price for it. So next up, this one right here is basically a washing bag. I got it last time in the previous episode. It's basically a good size washing machine bag. Let's see, the size of it, I believe it was 60 by 80 centimeters, which is a good size, enough for like a coat or something delicate that you could put in there, and then put this in the washing machine so your delicates won't get torn apart, you know, or touch with other Velcro stuff. So pretty cool. $2.59 for a 60 by 80 centimeter size washable bag. Okay, next up, this one right here. I believe this is a key pouch for my car keys. My Jeep car keys is a good size already, but I could put it in here. It'll still work. It's clear, has the clear things for I could do the buttons, but I am starting to wear my keys on my belt clip instead of putting in my pocket, because you know, with the amount of keys that's hooked up to my remote control, you know, my key fob, sometimes I'm driving and I feel myself accidentally pressing against the buttons, and it causes havoc, you know, when I'm driving or whatnot, or yeah, anything else. But yeah, I'm gonna give this a try. Zipper style. This one right here went for, I believe at the time, $3.39. $3.39 for a key fob holder. So pretty cool. Has a spot for your keys and everything. So I'm gonna definitely make good use of this. Pretty cool. All right, next up is, I believe this is for the flashlight. It's rechargeable. Okay, right here. Basically, light bulbs. Let's just say I bought these before. I got more. Definitely, just toss it inside my my Jeep. This is a good, handy emergency flashlight, or as needed light bulb. You know, you could just hook this onto like a canopy or anything else. For example, I when I go to like night parties, you know, and like, you know, house parties or barbecue or something, and you know how the day turns into the night real quick, and then the thing that we always lack is lighting. So this is pretty good, just hanging them up. Lasts a good while. So pretty cool. Got more of these extra. This one right here, at the time of the purchase, $1.59. $1.59 for a rechargeable LED light bulb. Yeah, pretty cool. $1.59. All right, next up, that might be it. Oh, actually, no, there's more. Here's the box for my flashlight. Of course, it's, yeah. All right, this one right here. Oh yeah, I know what this is. Basically, this is my shifter cover. Yeah, basically just wrap around my shifter to protect it, you know, because yeah, you're shifting. So simple shifter cover. supposed to be leather, but I'm sure it's pleather, imitation leather. This one right here, I believe I got it for $1.59. $1.59 for a pleather or leather shifter cover. Just put it in my Jeep, so keep it, you know, clean. I believe that is it. I'm still wondering what that bag was that had it, but let's see, that should be it. All right, this large size right here. This one right here is actually my seat cover that I got in the last episode. I put it on my driver's side, or, you know, my driving side front seat, and it fitted perfectly. It's basically a wrap around bottom seat cover. And so I got another one for my passenger side. I did order the rear seat model, so that's, but then I'm not gonna post that up because that's not part of my DollarExpress deals. But it's something similar to this one, but it's for the rear seat. This is for the front seating. And yeah, I'm just gonna leave it out and leave it on the bag. But let's see what we got. That should be it. Try to make it presentable every time. There you go. Kind of messy, but that'll do. All right, guys. Thanks for joining me. Till next time. Peace.